I think of the internet. So the internet is this big, new, powerful technology. It's horizontal, it affects every industry. And then if you think of even more broadly tech and machine learning and big data and all these kinds of things, these are big, horizontal, powerful technologies. And in my view, so we've been at scale. The internet is quite old at this point. It's been around a long time, but at scale, it's really only been around, 10 or 15 years. Because, go back in time 20 years, it was tiny. And so at scale, the internet's been around only 10 or 15 years. And we haven't learned, as a civilization, as a human species, we haven't learned how to operate it yet.